what's going on, guys? This is the last crawfish ball of the season, and we got 7 sacks at $2.50 a pound, and it cost us around 640 bucks. Yep, you heard that right, 640 bucks for 7 sacks of crawfish. That's 4 right there and 3 in the ice chest. We are cleaning and purging the crawfish. That's a must-have. You gotta clean and purge your crawfish. I got my trusty helper, Chris, right here, cleaning the crawfish. Can't do anything without him. Oh yeah, pretty feisty. Pretty healthy too. That's what you're looking for. That's a good sign. No casualty. You don't want any DOA, you know. But you see any dead ones, you gotta throw them away, man. Don't want any dead ones. You definitely don't want to eat any dead one either. You see that? See how dirty they are? That's the reason why they're called mud bugs. You gotta clean them, man. You gotta clean them, or they'll taste muddy as well. Give them a nice bath. Like I said, cold and cleansing. Alright, we got a 2 sack going in. Coming in hot. There you go. That's how we do in the South, baby. Baton Rouge, Louisiana. On a Texas style 2 sack seafood boil. There it is, Texas style outdoor. Come get you some. Good. All right, dump it in. That's it, 5 sacks. That's it, all 5 sacks. 7 sacks all together. Get the paddle, stir it. Yeah. That's how we roll, baby. One last crawfish ball. End of the season. Go big or go home. Yep, we're going 7 sacks. I got 5 sacks on this gator pot. I got 2 sacks on this Texas style outdoor. Oh yeah. It's going down, baby. That smells good. Wish y'all could be here. Make it happen, guys. Once I hit 50,000, I'm about to have a crawfish ball, all you can eat. I'm inviting 20 of my loyal subscribers. Doesn't get any better than that. All you can eat crawfish ball. How you like that, huh? Think that's a good idea? Let me know in the comment below, guys. What do you guys think? Man, that looks good. Smells even better. got that cayenne pepper.
Oh yeah.
If it doesn't kill you, it makes you stronger. Louisiana hot sauce, baby. Come get you some. The whole thing. That's all she wrote. Let this thing come back to a boil. When it floats to the top, you know it's done. And then you let it soak for about 20-30 minutes. Chow time. There you have it, guys. Texas style outdoor 2-sack seafood boiler. Man, does that look good or what? That smells amazing. So if you're wondering, so how do I hose it down? With a regular garden hose. All you need to do is just make sure before you do it, cover up your burner with some aluminum foil. Now that is how you do it. See? Cover up with some aluminum foil and you're good to go. Might not be the most efficient, but it gets the job done. I got the boil bars, paddle, and thermometer. That sure comes in handy. Now you want to bring this down to about 160, and then you're just going to let it soak for about 20 to 30 minutes. All that flavor is going to go straight through the head. See, down here in Louisiana, we season our broth, we season our crawfish. Now, you notice when it's cooked, it floats to the top, and when it soaks in all that flavor, it gets heavy and it sinks down to the bottom. You notice some of them are pretty much down at the bottom now? Yep. That's good. Jason, check on that pot right there.
All right.
Has it come back to a boil yet?
Doesn't sound like it.
Yeah. Alright, open up slowly. No. Yeah, just get it stirred apart for me, right quick.
Yep.
Yeah. Give it a nice quick stir. That right there, my friend, is 5 sacks right there. You can go to, you can take up to 8 sacks.
Can you stir it up?
Yeah, okay. You got your red potato. You got your boiled crawfish. Oh, that looks good. What? You got your corn, and you got your sausage. Ooh, another victim. You're not coughing? You're doing it all wrong. Yep. Welcome to the club, Grandma. Y'all see that? Oh, look at that. Go to what?
Yeah, but you have to figure out the recipe for each sack stuff.
Oh, somebody's bringing in the ice chest. You mean business? Yep. Uber. Come get it by the bucket, by the ice chest. Alright. That's one sack right there. That's a sack. That's a sack. Alright.
Ok, tuổi. Không, hết hôm nay. To thật nhỉ, đúng là cuối mùa để to nhỉ.
Last crawfish bowl of the season. There it is. Pirogue. There you go. That's how we eat them in the canoe. Pirogue.
Get all up in the corner and stuff like that. And I can like grab those.
What's up with all this flies?
Scoops be big, man. Big scoops.
Oh well.
Might be a little more in that corner. What about it? Fit no more. So, okay.